Hi there, I'm Johnny, one of your old friends introducing good products from DT1 to you. I'm so glad to see you all again. Last month, DT1 released two good smartwatches, DT8 Max and DT8 Ultra. They're both gorgeous, however, leaving a question to our customers, which one should I buy? Now, let's find out. We start with DT8 Max. The smartwatch DT8 Max is most classic one in terms of exterior appearance, which doesn't have many changes. But its shiny stainless steel case combined with a 2.0-inch HD narrow bezel screen, giving you a sense of a delicacy. The screen of DT8 Max performs slightly better in the categories of brightness and clearness than its counterparts. The smartwatch DT8 Max is modern beauty on your wrist, with so many features related to health, like body temperature measurement, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, menstrual cycle reminder, etc. DT8 Max is your good life companion, keeping an eye on your health. With the classic look, DT8 Max is fit for you on any occasion, no matter if you are in casual clothes, workout clothes, or suits. Compared with DT8 Max, DT8 Ultra speaks a whole different language when it comes to exterior appearances. A frosted alloy metal case and a piece of thick tempered glass and a robust look give the smartwatch DT8 Ultra a sense of sturdiness and reliability. Just as its exterior appearance claims, DT8 Ultra is built for people who are keen on intense outdoor sports like climbing, basketball, football, etc. Due to the smartwatch is tough enough to stand with scratches and collisions. With a size of 49mm in length, DT8 Ultra looks pretty much the same as the original one, radiating a sense of masculinity and toughness. If you are a man who is also a sports enthusiast, DT8 Ultra will certainly be ideal for you. Apart from the exterior, DT8 Ultra has strap locks that are absent from DT8 Max. With strap locks, DT8 Ultra is firmly secured on your wrist no matter what. DT8 Max and DT8 Ultra are both fantastic smartwatches. You won't regret regardless of which one you choose. If you want a smartwatch that is fit for you on any occasion, DT8 Max with a fashion look is better for you. But if you are an enthusiast of intense outdoor sports or just like the brand new appearance of DT8 Ultra, then DT8 Ultra should be your better choice. I hope that I've helped you to answer the question in your mind, which one should you buy? Okay, I'm Johnny. Thank you for watching. Peace and love. See you later.